Hi, this video will teach you how to draw a arid effect ceiling in a construction tool, Ceiling Editor. Here we got some inspirations for the trendy ceiling designs, and as you can see, we are going to talk about the arid effect, which is more or less the one in the middle. Okay, let's go back to our ceiling, and here I have an area I want to design with the ceiling I showed you before, and here I put on a rectangle, put in the dimension of each unit, for example a 800 millimeter, click enter and put another side. Okay, then it's done. Well, let's go back to check a little bit the detail of the ceiling. Okay, you can see that it is extruded 3 times and with light strip and spotlight in the middle. Okay, let's go back. First, let's create one and then click it, and here you can see place that for you to type in put in extrusion dimension. So let's put it 20 centimeters, for example, and then offset it again, put in the dimension, and you can see here it's not extruded, but let's put it 100. Okay, and simply put a spotlight here. And we can also brush the material first before copy and paste. So here I would pick some plain color. In order to be more obvious, I would click this brown color onto it. Then hold on Shift to select all the unit. Here you can see array and click array so that you can make constant series of these units. And here on the bottom, you can control the dimension and the distance between each other. Here you can either control spacing, which is the distance of each 2 items. For example, if I put 150, and then you can see on the axis, the distance between each other is 150, and then same as y-axis, and put enter here. Okay, so that you can see it is more or less like what we showed in a picture, but also you can choose the quantity that you want to make for this area, for example. Yeah, so I would prefer this one so that the dimension is very clearly controlled. Okay, so by click it, then all the item is duplicated, and you can it is quite complex now, and then you can select all of them and to see and to change the dimension between the edge and the walls. So it is more or less done, and you can see here also For the corner, the molding of the corner, we can see here moldings. And then usually we pick one for this area. And then it's done, and we will see how to add light strips onto it. Here, for example, I would like to add on a light strip for this area. I just click this edge, and you can see the section plan on the left. And here, click the box. You will see the light strip is added on. And you can change the brightness and the color for it. Here, I suggest you to try and change to a bright color and warm light. Then here, click the edit. I'm not sure if it's clear now. Here, section edit. Then you could edit the dimension of the section, like how deep you want to hide this light for. So here I'm gonna take this as 60, and here, and so here it is a light strip is created. Okay, so also for this light strip, if you want to duplicate to everyone, then here you could easily click the duplicate and then click this line and apply it to other edges. And when it was changed, it will turn to red orange color. So you can also do it before you make an array for this ceiling. Also, if it's not too much, you can click one by one. So here I'm gonna stop here. So that is basically how we build a ceiling like showed in the picture before, and with a light strip effect as well as an arrayed units. Hope you enjoy it, and thank you, and see you next time.